All right, guys, SHOT Show 2014, back in the Spartan Imports booth. It's getting crowded in here because they've got so many cool things, but we're going to show you another amazing, unique airsoft product that you're not going to probably see anywhere else. It's, again, made by Inokatsu, and it's their Colt 1911 pistol, and it comes in this amazingly beautiful box. The reason it comes in this beautiful box is the price point is $1,200 US. This is for collectors. If you want a one-to-one, perfectly flawless Colt pistol, this is it. And for you guys who know, have been around for a while, you know that Inokatsu has been making amazing replicas for a long time, and you've got to pay for them, but if you're looking for quality, that's it. Put that down, and we're gonna get in here. We're gonna pop the lid open and look at this beautiful, I love the paper packing on the inside. It just adds to the realism to it. And this is a beautiful pistol. I know some of you guys are out there going, 1,200 bucks, it's a lot of money. It's more than a real one. I know it's more than a real one, but it doesn't matter because this is it. You can't shoot somebody legally with a real one. And you can do it with this one. And it is great. Again, Inokatsu opted for CO2 power, which we like. You've got that consistent power in cold weather, warm weather, whatever you need. And the weight of this, if you guys have ever held a real 1911 or fired one, in fact, we'll maybe put a video up here from our range day. We got to shoot a ton of 1911s out there on the range. It is exactly the same. And this is that real classic, historic, purist 1911. It's a 1911 Army. I mean, there's no rails, no nothing, but it doesn't matter. This is such a beautiful pistol. Golly, I tell you, man, if we could get one of these, if we could afford one of these, we would do it. But I mean, I'd have to sell a car to get one. But everything on this is such a cool pistol. We had to share this with you. This is not something you get to get your hands on that often or hardly ever. So guys, if you do have the money and you're looking, reach out to your Spartan Imports dealer, and I'm sure they can special order one of these guys for you for $1,200 US. I'm gonna see if I can get on a payment plan for one of these too. I really want it in my collection. It just looks so beautiful. Now, we're gonna go find some other cool stuff here on the show floor to show you guys in SHOT Show 2014 coverage.